Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up pictures on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open TikTok. So once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom. And once you click on that, you simply need to click on the effects, or you can simply click on templates. And here you can find different templates, and you can select different templates, and in these templates you can see the speeds of the picture, so you can select according to your choice. So you can see that you will find plenty of different samples templates where you can add your photos, and you can add 5 photos here, so you can select 6 to 12 photos, you can see that. And once you select, you simply need to click on upload photos, and once you upload your photos, you can easily make a video with that, and you can also speed up pictures on TikTok. So this is the process by which you can speed up pictures on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.